Hello, welcome to everyone in the video from this channel. So today we're showing you how to upload an image or photo in Instagram. So if I go into in Instagram, so if you see here, no any button for upload an image or photo. So how we can do that? So if you want to upload an image or photo in Instagram, just right click and go to inspect. Okay, you can also do it from using Control Shift I. So I just go into this and then go to this button. Okay, go to this button. You can also do it from using Control Shift M or Command Shift M. Okay, and after that just go to this button and click and go to this. Okay, go to this. So now take a refresh. How to take a refresh? Just go to this button, and you can also do it from using Control or Command R. So I just go into this button, and now if you see, we have here a plus button, so we can now upload photos or videos. So I just going to click here. Okay, so I just going to click here and wait seconds, and now you can choose your files. So I just going to upload a design. So I just go into my this and go into graphic design, my designs, and just going to select all files for showing my videos, and just going to upload this and open. So if you see, now we can upload photos. So I just go to next. You can also get filters from here, but I not want to filters, so I just go into this. You can also rotate this like this. So I want to like this, and go to next, and now give your name. So I just go into so I just write it a design, and you can also add location, people's, all think like mobile, and just go to share. So if you see, the photo has been uploaded. So like this you can upload photos in Instagram. So this is the tutorial. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Thanks for all.